Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, leadership and career coach, guiding others to create a career they can love. And today, I want to talk about how you can instill new habits into your life in just 3 simple tips. Okay, so just going to give you a quick overview and then show you how they can apply to your life. So the first thing you need to do is actually take stuff off your to-do list, get very intentional about the thing that you want to do. The second thing is that you want to make it easy. And so you want to make getting started on this new habit just as effortless as possible. You want to ensure also that people around you are helping motivate you and holding you accountable. And the third thing that you need to do is to ensure that you can connect to the larger meaning and vision that all the reasons why you're interested in this habit in the first place. So for example, I want to learn Spanish. So I needed to take a look at my to-do list and say, hey, Ben, you're not going to do martial arts over the next couple of months. Hey, Ben, you need to practice the keyboard a little bit less. Hey, Ben, all those books on your table, like you're going to have to only pick 1 instead of 5. And, you get the drift. You need to reduce the amount of things that are on your to-do list to make time for your habit. You don't want to feel rushed and overwhelmed. If not, you're just not going to do the thing that you're not doing now because there's no room for it. So making it easy. I downloaded an app on my phone for Spanish that I work on. I found a YouTube channel that goes over Spanish that I can watch when I work out. I have put those on my home screen. I have talked to people that I'm studying Spanish. And so I've made it really easy for myself to get started, and I found an easy way to integrate it into my normal routines. And so the third, which is one of the most important, is to connect it to a larger meaning. Like, what does this language mean to me in the long run? What could I potentially do? How would my life be different? How would traveling be different? How would work be different? How would friends be different? Like, how would I feel about myself? And if you can keep that top of mind instead of, oh, I just have to study this thing, I have to do this thing, you will be so much more motivated to actually take action on it. So real quick, again, an overview. You want to make room for the habits to take things off your to-do list. You want to make it easy to get started. Usually just getting started is the hardest thing when it comes to a new habit. And you want to connect to the larger meaning behind the thing that you want to integrate into your life. If you do those 3 things, the discomfort from getting started on a new habit will basically disappear. And I promise you, you will make progress and you will be happy with the new habit when it becomes instilled in your life. Now, if you've enjoyed this, if you've taken one thing away, if you have made progress on a habit, I want to hear about it. So let me know, reach out to me. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.